Good morning, guys. So I wanted to give you a little Myon tutorial because some of you are having some issues finding the project. So when you get to Myon, you should have something that looks like this. This is your homepage. And if you go up to the top, this little icon up here that looks like a folder, this is where your projects are. So you're going to click on this. And then you are going to scroll down. So these are projects at Brooker Elementary. And if you go down, here is your project. Okay, so I'm going to click on the project. And it tells you your objective, what we're learning. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, here is everything that you need to do. So here, this is the text that you're going to read. Here is the graphic organizer. Here is the quiz. This is just right here. This one is just an overall telling you what you are going to need to do for this project. And then at the bottom is your written response. So when you are done, you have options. So for the writing, it gives you a checklist here. You can even check off the checklist as you write it. You can click onto this spot to actually write your essay or your to answer your two essential questions. You can click here for the graphic organizer. You don't need to use the journal. When you're done, you can just press save. And you can scroll all the way back to the bottom and you can go back to the quiz, the graphic organizer, the book. So hopefully this helped. You have to scroll all the way to the bottom to find these activities. A green check means you're finished. This means you have some activity done. This means that you have not started. So hopefully that helps. Please let me know if you still have questions. Everything you need for the project is located in the same spot. You just have to scroll to the bottom. All right, message me if you have any questions.